In this video, I will show you all how to use washing machine. As we all know that in this day and age many people have used this washing machine to facilitate their work. Here are the ingredients, tools, and the steps. The ingredients are dirty clothes, detergent, and water. The tools are washing machine. The steps are 1. Put the clothes and detergent in the washing machine drum. 2. Fill the water tube as needed. 3. Rotate the wash clay to 10 minutes. 4. After the washing clay is complete, drain the water through the hose at the back of the machine. 5. Refill the jar with clean water. Then rinse the rice clean for up to 5 minutes. 6. If it has been rinsed, transfer the clothes to the drying tube and set the clay to 10 minutes. 7. The clothes are ready to dry in the sun.